Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to turn or how to enable and disable media players for Vimeo on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Bluesky application, then click on these three lines, then go to the settings. Now go to the content and the media. Here you will find external media, click on it. Here you will find Vimeo. So that's how to enable it. Just click on it, Vimeo, and it will be turned on and off just like you want. Oh, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.